Hey, what's up, y'all? This is the doctor for all your technical and electronic needs. And today, I'm going to show you how to make your own ringtones and how to put them on your phone. So first, what you'll need is a computer and a phone, of course. Then, you need to make sure your computer and your phone have Bluetooth. If your computer doesn't have Bluetooth already on it, then you can buy a Bluetooth adapter, which will set you back about $20. Then you'll need a ringtone making program. I use Magic's Ringtone Maker too. So let's get started. So go ahead and download Magic's. Once you already download it, go ahead and load it up. Alright, so we'll get to this. I'll teach y'all how to use this in a little while. But first, turn on your Bluetooth by left clicking the Bluetooth symbol and turning the adapter on. Then what you want to do is connect your phone. So go back, left click, add a Bluetooth device, and on your phone go to your settings and connection. You should have Bluetooth, and find me. It should start searching. Alright, so there goes mine. So I'm going to click next. Okay, so we're connected, and I'm going to exit out. So now we can go back to Magic Ringtone. So this area up top, number 1, is where you're going to get your music from. From your CD drive, the ringtones you already made, the music that's saved on your computer, videos, and pictures. The really neat thing about this is you can download pictures and put them on your phone. So that's what's really neat about it. But for right now, I'm going to use CD drive. Down here is where you're going to make your ringtone. And right here, we'll get to that in a second. So go ahead and click the music that you want to use. And if you're using the CD drive, you're going to have to wait for it to load up before you can actually get in, listen to the music and stuff. So right here, length of ringtone. I'm going to set mine for 30 seconds. Alright, so that's how long the ringtone really going to be. Okay. Alright, right here, this is the song right here. This is the bar which the 30 seconds is in. So I can move this wherever I want to where it'll start playing the ringtone. So I'm going to start playing the first 30 seconds.
Sophistiphone, aristocrat, distinguished dogs, clean up your act, pull up your pants. Ladies and gents, please, act like you got some sense. You know what I really want to know? Where do all the good girls go? What club they hang at?
And once it's playing that one section, it'll start over. So that sounds pretty good. Down here is where you're gonna change it. It's where you're gonna really make the ringtone. You're gonna change it into a MP3. If you have a different phone, you're gonna most likely change it to a wave. But for most of the phones, you're gonna change it to an MP3. Up here, make sure you save it somewhere where you can get to it very easily. I'm going to save this one as Outcast. Alright, save it onto my desktop. Alright, make sure these two are off. You can try to send it with the Bluetooth device from here, but I don't use that. Make sure these two are checked. Mine are now normalized. This one right here, get it as small as you can, because the smaller it is, the smaller space it's gonna take up on your phone. So 30 seconds is like 100, 118. If I go to 96, it's gonna go up to 355. So low as you can. Alright, so it's gonna save. Gonna get rid of this. Alright, so there's the ringtone really. So next, minimize magic. Back to the Bluetooth. You're gonna click send a file. It should already have the phone name on there. So we're gonna click next, browse, and look for the ringtone that you have made. Okay, there it is. Open, next. Alright, it's connecting to your phone, and it's gonna ask you if you want to transfer the ringtone to your phone. You're gonna accept that, of course. Alright, so if you're using a Bluetooth adapter, you won't be able to tell if it's sending or not. But it should be on your phone. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any more questions or comments, just give me a message. I should have some more videos coming out, but I don't have any in mind right now. So if you have any video requests, just let me know. I try to do it. So I'll see y'all later.